I wanted to have some custom filler for my Christmas tree, and I came across a pattern for handmade garland. To make my own, I used pink yarn, many gold glitter ornaments, and a craft needle. Start by making your pom-poms. You can use a pom-pom maker or use the same method that I used for my pom-pom rug. I will attach a link to my rug tutorial in the description box below. Once you have your pom-poms made, you want to thread the needle with your yarn and string the pom-pom and then an ornament and continue the pattern until the garland is full. I tied a knot on each side of the pom-pom and ornament to keep everything in place. Add to your tree and this craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.